Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars in this additional of the daily newspaper on Monday, June the 8th. Yes. So let's get started. Alright, we have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then we see in the first row 5 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are the numbers 6 and the 5. So the 6 and the 5 cannot be filled in those 3 boxes. So the 6 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Let's see. Alright. Then we have an 8 in this column and 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column, so in the column between. The only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 4. Need more information. Then we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. In this column, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes in this big square. So the 5 could be here, could be there, or here. In this column, we see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. How about yeah. Yeah. Six in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Yeah, I'm scanning. Which number? 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only two places for the 9 here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, so in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? These three numbers in this column. The missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 6. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot fill this yet. The 2 and the 6 are missing. Need to wait. 2 and the 6. But we have a 3 in this row, a 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3. No. How about three? No. 7 and I'm thinking 2, 7 and 1. I need a 1. Yeah, I need a 1. How about the following number? 6. We have a pair here. In this column, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. I cannot place the 1 and the 7 in these 3 boxes because it's in one big square, 1 and a 7. So the 1 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. I mark them because these are a pair. 1 and a 7, that means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 here. So 1 digit left here for the 3. So here the 6 and the 4, 6 and the 4. That means 1 digit left in this big square, 6 and a 4. This should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. 1 box left in this big square. I know these are 1 and a 7. This should be a 2. And then how about 1, 7, 2. 2. 6 and a 4. How about 1, 2, and 8? 1, 7, 8. I'm thinking. 7 and 3. I need a 7. Okay. 9 we have there, and Okay. These three numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 7, the 1, and the 2. We have a 7 here in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. The 1 and the 2 are missing now in this column. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 7. Here I have marked the 1 and the 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in the middle row for the number 6 is missing. Yeah, 6 is missing. 6 is missing. How about... I see a pair here. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. So 1 and the 2 cannot be in this box. So the 1 and the 2 in the last row, 3 missing numbers. The 1 and the 2 goes here in these 2 boxes. 1 and the 2. So the missing number here, the 1 and the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing here. Yes, 8 is missing. All right. Then 2, 2, 1, 1. These 2 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. A 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 7. Then and then we have some troubles. These 2 numbers in the second row, the 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet, 2 and the 9. These 3 numbers, 1, 3, and the 8, 1, 3 and the 8. Still cannot fill this yet, 1, 3 and the 8. 2 and 1. 6, 6. 8, 8. 4, 4. 9, 7. 7, 7. 6, 4. I'm not getting further. I need more pairs to eliminate. 2, 2. 2, 1, 2, 1. 8, 8. Yeah, I think I need to mark them. These 2, 9 and the 7. These 2, 6 and the 4. These 2, 1 and the 2. These two, 1 and a 2. And look, we have a pair here. These two, the 9 and the 1. 9, no, we have a 1 here. 9 and a 2. 9 and a 2. 9 and a 2. 9 and a 2. We have a 2 here, a 2 there. Yeah, that means the 2 should be. Yeah, look, the second column. The second column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only one place left for the 2 should be here. Wow, this is the needle. The needle I have found. One box left in this big square for the number 1. We have now a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be the 2. 9 and a 2 are left here in this row. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 9. This should be a 2. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. The 8 and the 3 are missing now in this big square. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between, the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 number left in the second column for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be anymore a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 6. 2 numbers left in the first column. The numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. We have a 9 now, so this cannot be anymore a 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. You like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Yeah, in the beginning, we have the pace. But at the end, you need to have pairs to eliminate some digits. And I like this Sudoku. You too? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Anyway, thank you for watching again. And I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. In this additional, it will be a Sudoku with 3 stars. This one, yes. See you later. Bye bye.